to Krakow to visit Auschwitz, Birkenau, and Oscar Schindler's factory. Okay, boarding to Krakow now. Picking up our car rental.
Hey. Squirrel friends in there.
Okay, everybody, how do you pronounce exit in Polish?
He takes it.
This looks to be like typical architecture in Poland. This is it. Wow.
Zakładam, że też znowu jakiś błąd stanowy.
They just hang them.
Suffocate, suffer for a couple of minutes. And it's gruesome to watch, so it discourages the other prisoners. If one prisoner escapes, they'll take 10 prisoners and torture them, hang them, starve them to discourage anybody else. So if I'm thinking about escaping, I have to realize that 10 other people are going to be tortured and because of me escaping. It's a cruel, because they know that they have a bond with each other. It's a community, and they're less likely to escape if they know what they're causing to their fellow inmates. It's like I would rather suffer myself than cause 10 more people to be cruelly tortured.
These buildings look like they were, I mean, better shape than I expected, actually.
Yeah, these buildings are not prisoner barracks.
Right, that's what I thought.
These are not where the prisoners were at. I think some of them might be, but most of these were administrative buildings.
Mm-hmm.
Well, administrative
Right.
as in one of these was medical experiments
Mm-hmm.
where they would do horrible, horrible experiments on people that would just be too inhuman to do any other time except torturing people.
Like what?
Like starving people to
Lock
death.
you in
Like,
a room and leave you there and see how long it takes for you to die. And do that with like 10 people and take an average of how long an average person can live without food, water, anything. Just put you in a room, no lights, no window, no air, and see how long you live. Or they would do surgeries on people and they wouldn't anesthetize them, just open them up, let them see their own guts, and horrible things.
like
Experimented on twins, on children, to see how children reacted to things. That's the firing wall. Where they were executed.
What went on in the basement?
All manner of things. Torture of all kinds. Punishment. Open the door, 4 of you crawl in and lock you up. There's no light, there's no air. Just 4 of you in there. Prison. And pitch dark.
Everybody who was in here never saw the light of day. They went in there and they just stayed.
The Russian army that liberated camps, they had no idea what was going on here. I mean, they knew there were concentration camps, but, you know, and prisoners, soldiers would get tortured for intelligence, try and get intelligence out of them. What are your plans? What's your equipment? You know, what are your tactical strategies? But just taking innocent people, just citizens living in their homes and dragging them out and bringing them here and torturing them and executing them, nobody could have imagined. Nobody had any idea. And when they came and they saw, I mean, it was more traumatizing than the rest of the war. They were 4 years, 5 years in the war.
And this is just one of
And this is what traumatized them, seeing what happened here. The rest of their lives, they were just, yeah, this is one camp. I don't know how many. Dozens. More than just dozens.
Yeah, because they were often led in a death march from one camp to another, to the next. At the end of the march, died from starvation along the way, or torture, or killed at the end of the march.
Oh my gosh. Imagine standing here naked, shaved. Oh my gosh.
And that's when the people in the neighborhood
It's an oven.
started thinking something's wrong over there because all of the smoke is going into the neighborhood. Before the Russians came in. This is what it looked like when it was liberated. The aisle where the bricks aren't, that's where the beds were. So it would be bunk this, all up and down here. These are sweaters. These are all
first drove by, it didn't seem anything like it to me.
We didn't drive this way.
Oh, we didn't? Okay.
We would have noticed that.
Where is it? On the right.
That's the gate.
Uh-huh.
All the people he saved.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody thinks anything of it.
Especially the ones here to the left. Thank you. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I wanted
It's a
to get
great little shop where we bought so many souvenirs.